Okay, like I said a couple minutes ago, I would make 2 videos because I'm going to sing Blackbird by the Beatles. So Grandma, just to be warned ahead of you, I'm going to sing Blackbird by the Beatles. And then I'm going to post 2 of them because you deserve 2 shoutouts. Today's your lucky day. I'm going to give you 2 shoutouts. Okay? Happy birthday. Love you. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. 'Cause all your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. 'Cause all your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of the dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. 'Cause all your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Love you, Grandma. You are the best grandmother to me. I love you. Even though you go through so much, I love you all. You know, I love you and Father Bird the most. And even though you're going through some struggles, you deserve 2 videos, okay? So I'm just warning you, don't be mad if I send you another video. This is just a cover of Blackbird by the Beatles for you. I wish I knew some Zeppelin songs. I would sing you one. But yeah, so if you have a cover for a Zeppelin song you want me to do, request it to me at RihannaNilo@gmail.com. As you want, Grandma. If you have a request for me to talk about something, you let me know. And, you're the bomb. I love you so much. Thank you. Bye.